Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through something super practical, how to delete your old Photoshop projects in 2024. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to clear out those .psd, .if, or any other Photoshop files that are cluttering up your computer, so you can free up storage space and keep your workspace tidy. Alright, let's jump right in. First, it's important to know that Photoshop files are most often saved locally. That means they're on your physical computer. Whether that's the Documents folder, your desktop, or even an external drive you plugged in last week. So, before we go deleting anything, we need to figure out exactly where those files are living on your machine. If you're using Windows, you'll want to open up File Explorer. That's the basic tool for browsing files and folders. If you're unsure of where you saved your project, don't worry. You can use the search bar in the top right corner and type in either the name of your file or just PSD to pull up all the files of that type. Give it a moment if you have a lot of files. Sometimes the search can take a minute, especially if you're searching your whole hard drive. Now, if you're on a Mac, the process is pretty similar. Open Finder, which is like your Mac's equivalent to File Explorer, and you can browse through your folders or make it even easier by using the Spotlight search. That's the little magnifying glass in the top right of your screen. Just type in .psd or the file name, and it'll show you everywhere that file is saved. If you use external drives or custom folders, make sure you look there as well. Photoshop doesn't always save to the same place every time, especially if you picked a different location during previous saves. Once you've located the file you want to delete, take a look and make sure it's really the right one. I always recommend opening it in Photoshop or checking the thumbnail if you're not entirely certain. You don't want to accidentally delete something important. But once you're sure, just right-click on the file. On Windows, you'll see an option that says Delete. On Mac, it'll say Move to Trash. Click that, and the file will be sent to your computer's recycling bin or trash, sort of like putting it in a virtual wastebasket. This is a safe step because if you realize later you needed that file, you can still retrieve it from the recycle bin or trash. But to truly clear up space and permanently remove the file from your computer, the last step is to empty your recycle bin or trash. On Windows, just double-click your recycle bin icon and choose Empty Recycle Bin. On Mac, right-click the trash in your dock and select Empty Trash. Remember, this step actually erases the files from your hard drive, so double-check you don't need any of them beforehand. It's a bit like decluttering your desk. You don't really get the space back until the trash is out the door. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to safely and permanently delete your Photoshop projects from your computer in 2024. Give yourself a pat on the back for keeping things organized. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. Got any questions or run into any issues along the way? Drop your thoughts down in the comment section and I'll be happy to help. And if you want more step-by-step tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.